Dear student, I am Dr. Mohammad Nasser Malik. Today I teach you the different type of drug which contains the alkaloid. In this topic, I have to teach you two drugs. First one is opium and second one is belladonna. So this is the disclaimer for this material is for the only for teaching purpose. Okay. So in pre-requisite and recapitulation, you know the alkaloid, chemistry of alkaloid and their properties. And student will learn introduction, definition, description, test of alkaloid, physical property, occurrence of the drugs. Okay, so test of the drugs, physical and chemical properties. So first drug is opium. Synonyms is poppy, latex, gum opium or afim. Biological source opium or gum opium is the air-dried milky exudate obtained from the incising the unripe capsule of Papaver somniferum family Papaveraceae. History in 1806, Stirner isolated alkaloid morphine from the opium. The opium poppy is grown commercially known in many countries throughout the world. Cultivation and collection. The cultivation of the opium poppy is controlled internationally by the International Narcotic Control Bureau of the United Nations. So you see the poppy of this opium. In this, this is a fully grown poppies. In this, a iron material called nashtar. In incision within, after incision, the milk is come. After 2 to 3 the milk is extruded and the raw opium is here. So they will be collected large scale. Okay. The seed of the opium is cultivated in batches. This is to ensure that the entire crops is not affected the climatic condition like frost and drought. The cultivation is done under the month of September and April. A gap of 20 centimeters should be maintained between two consecutive plants. Before showing the seeds, they are mixed with sand properly. About 5 to 6 capsules appear on each plant and it flowers in the month of May-June. After the petals fall from the poppy, the pod, which is about size of golf ball, is lancet and the opium latex is extruded. Poppies are lanced in the afternoon and the latex is scraped off the next morning. Pod ripen at different times in the field. Each pod can be lanced at 7 times. Commercial variety include Turkish opium, Persian opium, Indian and Yugoslavian opium. You see, this is the poppy in which the incision is done. After incision, the milk is come in this and they will be air dried. After the air dried, the raw opium is collected here. Macroscopic character, odor, a strong characteristic odor, taste is bitter, color varies depending on the type. Opium for the instance, Indian opium is dark brown, highly manipulated. Turkish opium is chocolated brown in color. Okay, chemical constituent. Opium contain more than 19 alcohols, some of which are combined with meconic acid, other with sulfuric acid, and some is free alkaloidal. There are three main classes: phenanthrene like morphine, thiamine, codeine; benzyl isoquinoline, uh, noscapine and papaverine; phenylalkylamine, narcine. Extraction of the opium. Powdered opium is shaken with calcium chloride solution and filtered. After filtration, filtrate concentrated 10% NaOH solution, filtrate which contain morphine and codeine, and precipitate contain norcotine and papaverine. Okay, thiamine. Chemical test. Opium is dissolved in water and then ferric chloride solution is added. It results in the reddish purple color. The change in color occurs due to the presence of meconic acid in opium. When opium is treated with a small amount of nitric acid, orange red color is produced. This test occurs due to the presence of morphine in opium. Okay. Morphine, the most powerful uses. Morphine uses most powerful analgesic used in the severe pain and post-operative pain, bone fracture, cancer patient, and in case of angina pain. Remedy in the convulsion, preceded in the use of anesthetic to increase their efficacy, used as antagonist for the poisonous effect of their alkaloid as strychnine, atropine, and physostigmine. Doses: morphine sulfate penetrate 10 mg 10 milligram or 10 milligram per day. Okay, so this is the structure of morphine. Codeine, codeine, it is a weaker entity than morphine. Product produces less tendency to addition. Codeine depresses the cough center in the brain, causes constipation and hypnosis. Doses, usual doses of codeine phosphate and codeine sulfate are as an analgesic 15 to 16 every 4 hours. As an antitussive 10 to 20 milligram 4 to 6 hours. This is the structure of codeine. Heroin. It is a synthetic diacetyl derivative of morphine. It is 5 times more potent than morphine. This is the structure of morphine. Okay, and basically it is used as a narcotic drug, and this causes the addiction. Papaverine occurs naturally in the opium to the extent of about 1%, used as a smooth muscle relaxant and antitussive in combination with codeine sulfate. Dose orally 150 milligram, 1 and 30 milligram. As an antitussive, it is 15 milligram. And this is the structure of papaverine. Next drug is belladonna. Is the synonyms of the belladonna is belladonna leaf, deadly nightshade, and also to cut a beautiful lady. The biological source of belladonna consists of dried leaf and other aerial parts of the Atropa belladonna belonging to family Solanaceae. Microscopy, flower color, leaves are green to brownish in color, flower are purple to yellowish in color. You see the flower here, and the leaf greenish to brownish in color, and also the fruits in this also. Fruits are green to brown, green, and also in the brown form. Order, slight and characteristic. Taste is bitter acrid taste. Size, the leaves 5 to 25 centimeter long to 2.5 to 2 centimeter wide. Flower is corolla 3 centimeter long, 2 centimeter wide. Fruit is 10 centimeter diameter. Shape, leaves are ovate, lanceolate, acuminate. Flower are campanulate, small. Fruits are berries and subglobular. Okay. Microscopy, epidermal cells are slightly anticlinical, anisocytic stomata is present, unicellate, covering trichomes, also present, palisade ratio 5 to 7. Chemical constituent, it contains hyoscyamin, belladonnine, scopolamine, uses parasympatholytic, anticholinergic, reduce sweats, saliva, gastric juice, spasm, also used in the antidotes. Dose is 0.6 to 1 ml belladonna tincture 4 times per day. Adulterant varieties are Phytoleuca americana leaves, which is identification is presence of idioblastic type. Solanum nigrum, presence of thick lamina, anisocyatic stomata. Ailanthus glandulosa, presence of cluster of calcium oxalate crystals. Okay, and these are the different references of this material. So you learn different types of reference material, also internet material, some of the research paper also in this. Okay, so you learn. If you have any question, any queries, you can ask me. Thank you, dear student.